Plants and flowers are susceptible to one of the common ones is this blackleg gray rot, fusarium, rust and powdery mildew. For the prevention and control of these diseases, you can use natural remedies. One of these is turmeric. Turmeric is a very powerful antiseptic and antifungal antibacterial drug that also contains many different vitamins and minerals such as iron, calcium, phosphorus, useful for our plants. They increase immunity and improve the decorativeness of flowers. Turmeric can be dead to the soil when transplanting flowers. The proportion of a teaspoon per liter of earth can also be made water solution and sprayed on the leaves as a prophylaxis, and it is plant sick or this, it is necessary to dilute 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 liter of warm water and add 100 milliliters of milk as an adhesive, and this solution this solution should be filtered, after which it can be used with this tool. You can treat the plants every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on the condition of the plants. It is a natural remedy for indoor plants and flowers. Improves health, increase immunity, and improves flowering and decorative effect. 1 teaspoon for any home flower and it will be turn green again and bloom luxury. A simple remedy. You can apply it and gain the results, best results. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching it.